Hey, welcome to Cooking with Gracie Love. And this is called Our Bodies. Here we go, hey. I love your body, you're my body, baby. There's nothing better than our bodies, baby. Together we'll drive the world crazy. Just love my body, hey. Just love my body, come on. I love your body, you're my body, baby. There's nothing better than our bodies, baby. Together we'll drive the world crazy. Just love my body, come on. Just love my body, hey. This world can be so crazy. It chew you up with all the hating. It ain't changing, it ain't worth it, it ain't worth it. But my heart, you adore them, you adore them. You wouldn't change it, you wouldn't change it. So my heart, you can take it. Just don't break it, just don't break it. And when the world stress me out, to you I run without a doubt. Euphoria, your love explains it, your love explains it. And on those days, I can't be super, you always choose up. Ooh, I love ya, let it storm, don't need no cover. Just wanna ride it, just let me ride it. I love your body, you're my body, baby. There's nothing better than our bodies, baby. Together we'll drive the world crazy. Just love my body, come on, just love my body, hey. Don't love your body, you're my body, baby. There's nothing better than our bodies, baby. Together we'll drive the world crazy. Just love my body, just love my body, hey. I need your body, I need your body. Just love my body, everybody. Just love your body, come on, we need our body. Just love your body, inside your body, outside your body. Just love your body, we need our bodies. So everybody, just love your body. Just love your body, we need our bodies. Come on, I love your body, oh my body, baby. There's nothing better than our bodies, baby. Together we'll drive the world crazy. Just love my body, hey. Just love my body, hey. I love your body, oh my body, baby. There's nothing better than our bodies, baby. Together we'll drive the world crazy. Just love my body, hey. Just love my body, hey. Hey, I just want to say rest in peace to my cousin Martell. Had he not sent me this beat, there would be no Our Bodies. There would be no me standing here doing this performance. And I also want to encourage everybody out there in a toxic relationship, just walk away. Love yourself, love your body, you guys. And stay tuned, don't go nowhere. We're ready to cook with Gracie Love. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Gracie Love. And today we got something fabulous going on. I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious chicken dinner, baby, tonight. So I have for you, as always, something simple and easy, but this Tikki masala, I've been hearing all the rave about it, see it all over the Food Network. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make it. Of course, you can make your own Tikki masala using all the different spices and things like that. But if you are like me, you got your little one running around, you just got off of work, let me show you how simple and easy it is to make such an amazing elevated dish in less than 30 minutes, okay? So I have my chicken breast already out and marinated, okay? And I know some of these things you might not have at home, so if you don't have it, just go ahead and use your normal seasonings, but just let it sit for a little bit with those seasonings for about 30 minutes to an hour. So on my chicken, what I was able to use was this right here, some hoisin sauce, and then we also have some gochujang sauce. I got my accent, and then I got my lemon pepper seasoning, okay? And then I let that all simmer together or sit together really nicely and marinate for about an hour. So again, no less than 30 minutes, and you can let it marinate overnight. You can season this up, cooking the next day, whatever you want to do, but no less than 30 minutes, okay? So this is what mine looks like after it's been marinating all nicely.
So now we're ready to go ahead and cook this up, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and put it. My pan is already hot. I got olive oil on my pan, okay? If you don't have olive oil, you can use whatever grease you have. But just go ahead. We're going to sear this and fry it, pan fry it on both sides. All right, so that is all completely full. Let me rinse my hands off. Give me a little forky fork. So now we just want to let this get nice golden brown on both sides, and then we'll go ahead and continue on with this delicious meal, okay? So don't go anywhere, you guys. We're making tikki masalas for dinner tonight. All right, so we are almost done getting that chicken cooked on both sides. You can see it's browning up really nicely. So we're almost there. And then we'll go ahead and add in that tikki masala sauce, some veggies, and it's going to be scrumptious, baby. Don't go nowhere. We're almost ready. Okay, so our chicken is cooked all the way on both sides, nice and brown. So I'm going to go ahead and add some veggies. This is completely optional if you don't want to add this, but I got some bell peppers, some onions I'm trying to get rid of. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my meat, my chicken in there. All right. And I'm going to turn my heat down as well because I want this to simmer because we're going to add in the sauce next, okay? So again, you can make your own tikki masala sauce if you want, but I went ahead and just got a jar one, and then you just season it up how you like. That's the reason why I wanted to add the onions and the peppers into mine. So I'm going to go ahead and just add that whole jar right into there. And they have different brands, but this one to me really tastes the best if you're not making it yourself. So again, got all that in the pan with my chicken. I got it on a low. I want this to simmer for 20 minutes, and then it'll be time for my favorite part, you guys. It's gonna be time to plate, and it's gonna be time to eat. So again, I got the veggies in there. I just poured that tikki masala sauce in there. I'm gonna let it simmer for 20 minutes, and once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our side, which you can pick what you want, okay? So don't go anywhere. Again, 15-20 minutes. We're gonna let this simmer, baby. All right, everything is cooked up nicely. It's been about 20 minutes that we've let everything simmer up. So let's go ahead and get to my next favorite part. Let's plate up and let's eat. So I already got some rice made. Again, you can use whatever you want as your side, but I like to use some rice with these types of dishes. And again, I just got some already made, some white rice. I'm going to put that right on there. Plenty of butter. And then I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken. Oh, with all those peppers, those onions. Oh, it smells so delicious. Nice and hot. Beautiful, baby. Look at that. Delicious. It smells so good. And it gives like a chili vibe. As far as the taste, it tastes like a chili if you make chili at home. That's what that taste is. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That is so good. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Again, that extra flavor from the peppers and the onions just really elevate, like I said, that already onion and garlic that's already in there, giving it kind of, like I said, that chili taste. This is fantastic. Well, if you were wondering about tikki masala, I'm here to tell you it's definitely worth it. Go ahead and get you some of that. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning into this extra special episode, right? Musical performance, great food, You guys, make sure you like, subscribe. And also, make sure you get your copy of Quick Fix Meals on Amazon, you guys. Mother's Day is coming up. You need a good gift. There you go. And also, here's a good little Mother's Day recipe for you guys. Again, make sure that you guys like, you guys share, and also check out the new single featuring Red Vegas, Take Me Away. Enjoy, you guys. Until next time.